Hey, fellow YouTubers. I'm John Lavelle, and I want to talk to you about safety. One of the parts of safety is there's a lot of equipment that has parts on it that rotate at high speeds. I'll give you an example. Say a chainsaw. You have your chain flying around the tongue of the saw at high speeds. You have pedestal grinders. That's the one with the stone at one side and the stone on the other rotating for sharpening screwdrivers or cutters and stuff like that, drills. You'll also have surface grinders. They have large disc stones that spin at high speeds. Cylindrical grinders, same thing, big stone, high speed. Lathes, metal lathes, lots of rotation there with a lot of cuttings and stuff that are coming off off the cutters. And milling machines, they have they're rotating at high speeds. Drill presses, some of the large drill presses are spinning at high speeds. And you've got your concrete disc saws where they're cutting into the ground or cutting into block or whatever, using discs at high speed. Cutting into pavement for doing renovation, stuff like that. Circular saws, see a big blade, cut off saws, they're spinning. Anyways, you get a general idea of what I'm talking about, spinning. Now, the rule of thumb is this. I'll even give you an example. But the rule of thumb is this: never, ever line your face up with the rotation of anything that's spinning at high speed. Because what happens, like in grinding stones and stuff, they can actually break and fly apart. And there's a real good chance you're going to get hit right in the face. I've seen this happen, and I'll tell you, I had a friend of mine, he was cutting some wood out in the bush, and I can't remember what happened, but I'm thinking, I don't know whether he threw the chain, like the chain went on the chainsaw, or the chainsaw kicked back. Well, anyways, he hit right down here, scarred right from here up to up here, right across. I mean, it's a wonder he didn't lose his eye. And what a bad cut. I mean, you can throw the stitches in and think this is going to go away, but guess what's there for life? And the thing is, he knew safety. Why he didn't know? Don't line your face up with the blade. See, if he had held the saw to the side and used it, and then when it kicked, it would have kicked this way. It's not going to kick in the center of his face, And so, anyways, this is the point. You don't line up anything that's rotating at high speeds. Do not line your face up with it, because there's a possibility, and it does happen. This whole idea is, oh, nothing happened. Yeah, it does happen. Believe me, I worked in industry for all my life. I've seen everything happen, and you can get hurt badly, scarred for life. Never line yourself up. Stand to the side. The law of physics states that if something's rotating at high speeds, it will basically come out directly from its own center. So as long as you're off of its center, you won't get hit. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you, and be safe and don't get hurt. I never did. I was smart enough to say, hey, you know what? I'll just stand to the side. Anyways, see ya. Bye now.